Right here is Jesse Rochelo. Not a good fisherman. He's not doing good. Thinks he has a bite. Now watch him miss the hook here. He will miss. If he feels another bite, he will miss the hook. Come on. Come on, fish. Bite it. Bite it. No good. No good. Horrible day of fishing. Jason just snapped his line again. Pepper rig here. Oh my gosh, Jesse did catch a fish. What the heck does he got here? And here comes the man who knows how to fish apparently.
Doesn't even count as a medal.
He's blocking the way. There we go. And I'm the tough one, sitting in the van, getting warm. A nice big walleye, baby. That's what we're talking about. And in Jesse's little gay homo dance. It's an okay sized fish, but that is sick. Let's exit out of this.